Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am showing you how to create this type of simple Christmas card animation inside of After Effects. First, download the card from FreePic. Just write Christmas card and see a lot of free assets comes in, so you can download the card. I will download it already, so take it in to After Effects. Create a new composition 1920 by 1080. Now drag the card background. I already removed the text from card. Now take new adjustment layer above card. Go to the effects on top from simulation, select CC snowfall effect on adjustment layer. Now change the values, size 15. Variation size 100. Variation speed 100. Wind 500. Spread 15. Now select the opacity to 100%. So here is snowfall. Now write text, and from Effect and Preset, apply 3D lines. Zoom in. You can try other effects, whatever you want. Adjust the keyframe according to your choice. Now add new null object, parent, all layer to null, and apply simple scale animation. You can also add more element. So at the end of today's video, I hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Also comments, your thoughts. Thank you